Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Particle Argon device to your local Wi-Fi network. So for this video, I'm going to be using 3 devices: the Particle, my phone, and a laptop. I'll be using my laptop as the power supply for the Particle Argon, and my phone since we're going to have to use an app to connect the Particle. So the Particle Argon kit comes with 3 packages inside. I'm going to go ahead and open it up and let you know what's in it. So this right here has got the breadboard, the USB cable, and some components. I'm going to be connecting this to my laptop to give the power. Here we have the Argon and the antenna that we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So very carefully, I'm going to just attach this to the breadboard just to give it a safe place to sit. Okay. I'm going to connect the USB to the Argon. All right. Next we'll have the Wi-Fi antenna. So very carefully connected on this pin right here. All right, so I've downloaded the Particle Ion app here, and it says that I've already successfully paired my Argon MK7GR4. So I'm going to end the setup just to redo that. So once you make sure that the antenna is connected to the Wi-Fi port and that the light is blinking blue, and just to make sure that this works correctly, go ahead and hold down mode for 10 seconds. And that'll reset the connection, just in case it was connected to any other devices previously. That's how you know it's reset. Now go ahead and scan the QR code again and click on I have attached the Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, next, and it should pair. Now I'm going to select don't use in mesh network because I don't have to connect it to any other particles right now. And then just click next on that, next. And it's going to scan for all Wi-Fi networks that you can join. I'm going to join here 9R Wi-Fi guest. The Argon won't connect to internet that has a firewall on it, like your apartment Wi-Fi that needs you to log into a website to access it. So the guest doesn't have that, it's unsecure. So there you go, it's connecting to the internet. The light starts to blink green. I'm just gonna wait and see if that works. All right, so it failed to obtain the IP address. Okay, so it has successfully connected to the Particle Cloud. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a name, just Particle 1. All right, so it's done, it's set up. Now you can see it here. This is your particle. You can see its ID, serial number, everything on it. And you'll be able to start working with it. Just to end the video, I'm going to go over a few functions that you can do with your particle board. Here I'm going to go through the functions, variables, and tinker tabs. And this is going to show you each pin that this board has. I'm going to show you how to turn this light on right here. This onboard device has an LED. So we're just going to click on D7, go to digital right. And low D7 means that this onboard LED is going to be off. Once I click on it, change it to high D7, it's going to turn on. And there's so many things that you can do with this, but for now, we're just going to play with the light. And thanks for watching.